Hey, it's Ryan from UpFitSupply.com, and in this video, we're gonna be unboxing a WeatherGuard back panel for 60-inch wide shelves. Let's get into it. All right, this is going to be your back panel for your WeatherGuard shelving. This happens to be for 60-inch wide shelves, but they make them for all their different shelving sizes. Whether it be 52-inch or 42-inch and so on. Essentially, this is just a piece of steel that covers the back part of a shelf. So you can have a nice cavity. And two purposes really for this. Number one, it keeps things from falling out the back of the shelf. And number two is if you want to put a lockable door on the front part of the shelf, you can have a full compartment that's fully enclosed and locked in. So you need that back panel to cover the back side. So this is for your 60-inch wide shelf. You can see we do have some structural bends right here. I think that shows up in the video. There's a little bit of wobble to it just because how big it is. But then underneath one of the edges here, we're going to have all of our hardware. So just a combination of bolts, nuts, and washers. All these holes on the edges here are going to line up with existing holes on your shelf itself. You're not gonna have to do any drilling or anything like that. This is also in that bright white finish, so it's going to match the shelving unit itself, so it's gonna look like it blends in. And it's also gonna have that lifetime warranty from WeatherGuard, so protect it for the long haul. I'm not sure what all could fail on this. Pretty simple product, but you're gonna be covered from the factory. Now, like I mentioned, this is for the 60-inch wide shelf, and that is how you order these. It's going to be by the width of the shelf. These all fit, I believe it's a 12-inch cavity. Just double check that for you right here. Actually, this is 14.5 inches tall. So I think there is a little bit of overlap for your 12-inch in there a little bit because this is going to be on the face of those shelves and on the edge here. So, pretty simple unboxing right here. Nice little accessory to make a lockable compartment on your shelving or just prevent things from falling out the back of the shelf. But if you're looking for this product or any other accessory to get your truck or van ready for work, we've got what you need. UpfitSupply.com. Okay, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.